You want to remove hesitation while speaking English. You got tied down by doubts whenever you want to speak in English. My English grammatically correct? You ask yourself and then get confused. Instead of talking like a wise parrot, you stare silently like a teddy bear. Well, don't worry and keep learning. Doubt is a basic human emotion. You can also call it fear of the unknown. To kill your doubts and hesitation while speaking in English, you need to first understand where this hesitation comes from. It is important to know what makes you tongue tied in a situation you should be speaking up. Hesitation can happen due to many reasons. Hesitation due to lack of knowledge. Obviously, you can't talk about something you don't know. You also can't use a tool you don't understand. Similarly, if you are asked to speak about something that you do not have enough information about, you will not be able to speak well. Similarly, if you lack basic knowledge of grammar, or your vocabulary is very small or you have insufficient exposure to English, you will hesitate. Hesitation due to lack of skills. There is another form of hesitation, one that happens due to lack of skills. Whenever you feel like you can write good English and understand and read it but hesitate to speak, that's because of you lack speaking skills. Now, how do you remove hesitation? It's a simple enough. Back yourself up and commit to the following plan. You will be see your hesitation break and then slowly disappear. Building good English speaking skills without hesitation is a lifelong mission. You need to keep sharpening the edge. However, with the combination of the approaches, you will be able to quickly achieve dramatic reduction in your hesitation and also be on your way to state of fluent and confident English life. Every one of you needs the long-term solution. Hesitation elimination through practice. The time of result to show up after 3 months. We are afraid of doing something which we not done before or not done many times. The same with English speaking. They will be gone when you have already spoken English many times. Yes, the only long-term solution is to practice speaking in English. Find a spoken English partner. Find any method that works for you, but give yourself your daily dose of English speaking practice. If you want to kill the fear of monster forever, if you practice English speaking with a partner, friend, colleague, or a trainer, every day it will be build your confidence on solid foundation. Stop bothering about grammar mistakes and speak whether you are speaking correct or incorrect. Would others notice? Most likely yes, but not as much as you think they would. Would they think you are a fool? No, they would only think that your spoken English is not perfect. And this is not a serious crime. If you are an Indian and English is only your second language, it's like what is better? Leaving the answer sheet blank or writing a practically correct answer. Speak wrong English if you have to, but do not sit silent like a boiled egg.